Hey guys, now we're going to talk through how to open and navigate your new programs. So they're a little bit different than how they used to be used. It'll be weird for the first week, but after that it should be all good. So you'll open the calendar app on your phone. Yours will be a little bit different layout. You'll hit the workout. And what we'll have is pretty much a big description of your workout. So this here is where all of your information is. So we're going to run through how some of these terms work, but what we do is we have an exercise. Let's say we've got seated barbell shoulder press and wide grip lat pull down. How we're trying to improve you, so this is a method we call total reps. If you need it, what we can do is we can guess essentially your starting strength on every exercise. Some people will, some people won't need it. The other one here is how we sort of calculate your strength performances. So this is what we call an RPE calculator. So we'll go through that in a later video. What you'll see is for the seated barbell shoulder press and wide grip lat pull down, it's going to tell you what you need to do on week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Normally we'll program between 4 and 12 weeks at a time. So this is a very specific set. So we'll go down to the next one. So for dumbbell bench press, bicep curls, and rope push downs, week 1 you need to complete 3 sets of 3 reps at an intensity of RPE 9.5 at a tempo of 1 up, 0 hold, 2 down, 0 hold. So some of that can be a little bit jargony for you. So what we want to know, you know what a set is, you know what reps are, the intensity is what will vary. So there is a intensity scale called an RPE scale. If you go to rpecalculator.com, scroll through now. Let's say we do our first set and it is 80 kilos for 3 reps. And it was an RPE of 10. An RPE of 10, which means complete failure. I couldn't do any more reps. I'll attach the RPE scale to the program. Then we hit compute. And it will pretty much tell us what weights and what reps we need to lift moving forward. Excellent. The next part of doing the program is something that we can only do on your phone. So I've taken some screenshots to run you through it. So when you open the program on your phone, it will have the same description as we just saw here. And the first exercise, it will say how to start this program, which we'll probably see this video. So what we do is we hit start program. Then next to how to start this program, you're going to see 3 little dots. We're going to hit that button. We're going to substitute that in for the first exercise that you've seen, which is barbell seated shoulder press. So once we click substitute, we type that in at the top. We choose the exercise. That's our exercise there. Then what we do is we click add new set. Before we saw that, certain exercises we had to do 3 sets, so we would add the set, we'd add the reps and the weight that we used. As we do this, this will track all of your personal bests and all that sort of thing. All these up here will give us good estimations of where we want that weight to be. So once you've completed the recommended amount of sets for the exercise, then we add a new exercise. So we click insert exercise down the bottom. And we just follow the programs laid out in the instructions. So we just add the exercises and the sets that it requests, and then it's going to track us. And that's pretty much for now how we're going to run the programs. Keep checking the instructions because that's where all the really, really important information is going to be. Any questions, I'm always here to help, guys. So yell out.